Are you actually in the holiday spirit for 2020? Hey tribe, Donna here from Transformational Healing. Today's video was supposed to be about Yule, but I realized that I'm not actually in the holiday spirit 2020, and I was looking for ways to be able to share with you what I'm going to do to get back in the mood to be able to celebrate this winter solstice and celebrate Yule with my family. I know that it's a different way to celebrate this year. Most of us are going to be just with our immediate families, or perhaps one or two people that we have that are close to us that we've been making a little pod out of to celebrate the holidays this year. So it's a little bit hard to even get in the spirit of the winter solstice or of Yule or Christmas or whichever of the holidays you celebrate at this time for the season of lights. So the winter solstice itself is the shortest day of the year, which means that it's the longest night. And this time, as we lead up to December 21st, which for 2020, December 21st is the solstice. And this time is a time to look inside, a time to finish our preparations and to prepare ourselves for the season of new beginnings. Because starting on the 21st, the light starts to come back into the world. That is why all of the different Festival of Lights are celebrated. And it's a time of family, and it's a time of friendship, and getting together and celebrating. And getting together and celebrating is something that's going to be very, very difficult this year. So what I am planning on doing is that we're going to burn some of the Yule incense that I make and sell in the shop and get that going on some days. And other days I like to take, and this is what I'll be doing as soon as I finish this video, I like to take orange peel and cloves and nutmeg and star anise and put them in a pot with some water and just simmer them very carefully on the stove. The husband is a firefighter. We will not be burning down the house, I promise. But just simmering them on the stove, and it's the sense of the holidays, that smell that brings back memories. And smell is really important to help your mood and to change your thoughts. So burning something on the stove, or not really burning, but simmering something on the stove will help to fill the house with those smells of Christmas. You could also try baking some cookies. Baking cookies will get you, in that holiday spirit, especially if you have, I have the two kids here in the house, and it's a tradition that we do every year. So sometime this weekend, we'll probably be baking cookies and then sending them to family to try to connect with family even though we can't deliver them in person. Other things that you could do with those scents is that you can make mulled cider. If you just don't want to be simmering something on the stove that you're going to throw away, use those herbs and add them to some apple cider and make mulled cider. Or just drinking chai tea, which is what I have today. It's very similar in palate. To add that to your, relaxation or to shift you a little bit. You could add 1 drop, and I mean 1 drop, of peppermint essential oil to your hot chocolate. Hot chocolate has enough fat and sugar in it that it is okay to add 1 drop of essential oil to that. Just like when you're baking cookies, you can add 1 or 2 drops of peppermint essential oil to your chocolate chip cookies to make chocolate chip peppermint cookies. You do not ever want to be putting essential oils just in water. They will not bind and it is unsafe. And we'll do some videos on that some point down the line, but you can find information about that on my website at transformationalhealingbydonna.com. In the Chats with Donna section, there's some safety on essential oils there for you. And speaking of essential oils, if you have a diffuser or even just using the essential oils in water on the stove, very, very low warming, you could use peppermint, or perhaps you could use some sweet orange with a drop of clove or a little bit of cinnamon, things to make blends for your diffuser. Or I have one that's called A Walk in the Woods. It will be like going out and picking your Christmas tree. It's filled with different pines and juniper scents just to put you in the middle of the woods, and it's perfect for this time of year. You can check that out on the website too. Visually, and something that we are planning on doing this weekend, it's time to decorate the house. Do whatever you traditionally do that you can bring into the house or decorate the house with to get yourself into that mood. And decorating the house really will help to get you a little bit excited about Yule or Christmas. And turn on your favorite holiday music. Whatever it is you do. Something that we've already started is that we started watching Harry Potter. And I know, but it's been our Christmas tradition because of when the movies always came out. So we've literally had it streaming constantly over and over again, almost every day. Just, marathon over and over again. You can even see our books right up there. So something that's a favorite in our home. But something that you might want to think about is that will help you to connect with your family and friends is to get those video chats going. Get the phone calls going. Start connecting with the people that you need to connect with and get time set up for you to get together for the holidays. You might not all be able to get together in one stream because it will be too crazy. I know that if I tried to stream with my family, we did it once for a birthday. Nobody could hear what anyone else was saying because all the kids and all the different backgrounds were all talking at the same time. It was a little too chaotic and crazy. But if we schedule out the different times that we're going to get together with different family members and at least be able to video chat with them, be able to open presents that we've sent to their house and be able to connect that way. I know it's going to be a different holiday season this year for everyone, but just look forward to what you can do and look forward to how you can celebrate and get those scents and those sounds and the visual things flowing in your house, and it will really make a big difference. So hopefully you'll be able to see in our video next week that we've been able to decorate the house and things will be a little bit different. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. And we do videos on different ways to do essential oils and different herbs and things that you can use for your holiday seasons throughout the year and for keeping you in balance. So if it's herbs or herbal remedies or essential oils, aromatherapy, and all the different spiritual products and spiritual things, and about using the energy that's around us, and about intent, and about changing your mental, emotional, spiritual, and physical being so that you can be a whole person and so that you can come back to a place of balance. So that's what our channel is all about. So I hope that you have a good week getting ready for Yule, and be sure to join the Transformational Healing Tribe. You can find that at transformationalhealingbydonna.com/tribe. And I'll put the link here and in the thing down below. I'll also put links to the shop. And if you join the tribe, you get 20% off of everything in the shop. We are technically past my personal guaranteed shipping for the holiday. But I do know that right now packages are taking like 4 days priority to get to the West Coast from New York. So you can probably still get that request in and get it sent to you. I just can't guarantee that USPS will get it to you on time. But it's definitely almost time to be ordering what you need priority if you are on the other side of the country. But we'll talk to you soon. Many blessings, tribe.